Recipe for poppy seed cake, Mohnkuchen. Ingredients: 250-gram butter, soft, 200-g sugar, 1 packet vanilla sugar, or 1 TSP vanilla extract, 4 eggs, 200 grain flour, 100-g ground almonds, 2 TSP baking powder, 200 ml milk, 200-g ground poppy seeds, 100 g sour cream or crème fraîche, pinch of salt. Optional: some lemon zest or a hint of cinnamon. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 180 degree, 356 degrees. 2. Cream butter and sugar. Beat butter, sugar, and vanilla sugar until fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well. 3. Mix dry ingredients. Combine flour, almonds, baking powder, and salt. 4. Prepare poppy seed mix. Heat milk, stir in ground poppy seeds, and let swell for 5 minutes. Allow to cool slightly. 5. Combine everything. Alternately fold in the flour mixture, poppy seed mixture, and sour cream into the butter egg batter. 6. Bake. Pour into a greased loaf or springform tin and bake for about 45 to 55 minutes. 7. Optional: dust with powdered sugar or glaze with lemon icing.